So we showed this net last week. I don't know if you remember seeing it or not, but we did. And we said that to find the surface area, you have to first find the area of each face. So why don't you write these steps here in your notes, okay? How to find surface area. Number 1, find the area of each face. So since each face is a rectangle, to find the area of a rectangle, it is length times width. So when they have boxes like this for you, like this side is 4 and this side is 6, we would do 4 times 6 to get 24. And this one is 5 and 6, so that'd be 30. This one is 4 and 6, so 24. 5 and 6, so 30. This one is 4 and 5, so 20. This one is 4 and 5, so 20. So find the area of each face. And then, to find the surface area, you just add up all 6 of the faces. So we had a 24 and a 24. We had a 30 and a 30. And we had a 20 and a 20. Okay? So a lot of people group those like this because it made it a little bit faster if you group them. Because again, you have 2 sides that are exactly the same. Okay, we really have 3 different numbers here. So this would give us 48, 60, and 40. And someone already shouted out to me 148, and you are correct. So the surface area of this would be 148. So the area of each face, and add them all up. So you're not going to see nets on your assignment. You're not going to see nets on your CQA. You're going to see just the rectangular prism that might look like this. Okay? So again, we need to first find the area of each face. But keep in mind that all of these shapes, even though we might only see 3 of the sides, 3 of the faces, that every rectangular prism has 6 faces. So for instance, this purple face would be 11 times what? 6. What is 11 times 6? 66. So even though I could only see 1 purple face, which is the front of this shape, I know that the back of the shape is also the same. So 66 and 66. Let's do the top and the bottom. So the top is 11 times 5, which is 55. So again, the blue, the top is 55, and the bottom is 55. And then we have our left and our right-hand side, which would be 5 times 6, which is 30. Good. So 30 and 30. And maybe you're the type of person that you like putting in all 6 of the numbers. Go for it. Put in all 6 numbers in. That's fine. Maybe you're the type of person that likes to add up. 30 and 30 is 60. 55 and 55 is 110. 66 and 66 is 132. And I agree, it is 302. And if they give you a unit of measurement, again, we're talking about area. Even though this is surface area, it's still area, so it'd be centimeters to the 2nd power. Let's look at this one. The numbers here are 3, 2, and 4, if you have a hard time seeing those. 3, 2, and 4. So this yellow would be 3 times 2. The orange would be 3 times 4. 3 is this. So this is 3 and this is 4. 3 times 4. And then this one is 2 times 4. Some people have a hard time matching up the numbers with the sides, but here's what you can do if you have a hard time with that. It really doesn't even matter which number goes with which side. You want to do a pair of 3 times 2. You want to do a pair of 3 times 4. And you want to do a pair of 2 times 4. See how I'm making 3 different pairs there? Because isn't 2 and 3 the same thing? 2 times 3? 4 times 3? Same thing. 4 times 2? Same thing. Okay? And remember, we have 2 of each of these. So 2 of each of these. So again, the yellow was 6 and 6. The orange was 12 and 12. The purple was 8 and 8. 12 plus 24 plus 16 is 52. Very good. This next picture I don't have colored in. So we're going to use our shortcut. Because again, it doesn't matter which side is really which. We don't need to find the area specifically of each one of these things. We just need to find the 3 different sizes that we have. So do you see that the numbers are 3, 2, and 6? So let's do 3 times 2. And we have 2 of those, right? Let's do 2 times 6. And we have 2 of those. And let's do 6 times 3. And we have 2 of those. So there are the 6 numbers that we want to add up. Did you see how I drew these arrows to kind of help me stay organized with what I was doing? I did 3 times 2, 2 times 6, 6 times 3. So 12 plus 24 plus 36. Did y'all get 72? These numbers are 5, 10, and 2. 5, 10, and 2. So pick a number to start with. Alright, so let's start with 5 and go to 10. So that's 50 and 50, right? 5 times 10 is 50. And then let's go 10 to 2. 20 and 20. And then let's go 2 to 5. It's 10 and 10. So again, we had 5 times 10 is 50. 10 times 2 is 20. And 2 times 5 is 10. So those are the 3 different sizes that we have. 160, 160, 160. All right, ready to try one on your own then? All right, do this one on your own, please. Julian, please do this one on your own. So it doesn't matter which one of these 3 numbers that you start with. Totally doesn't matter. I'm going to start with 6 times 19. And 6 times 19 is 114. Then I'm going to continue going this way, and I'm going to do 19 times 5. And 19 times 5 is 95. And then I'm going to do 5 times 6. And 5 times 6 is 30. So I have a 114, a 114, a 95, a 95, a 30, and a 30. And I'm going to add up all 6 of these numbers. Oh, I got something different. Oh, that is right. I didn't add mine correctly because I did that in my head. Who got 478? If you got 478, you are correct. Okay. I like grouping them like that because it's easier for me to put in my calculator, but you don't have to group them like that. So do you understand what you need to do if I give you the assignment, or do we need to do more examples? Understand? Okay.